Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. And this is the secret to how I managed to lose my last 20 pounds. I was stuck right above my goal and I just couldn't get there and I didn't know why. I was plateaued here. I was doing everything right and it just stopped working, or so I thought. So if you're like me and maybe you're at a plateau, maybe you're doing everything right, but nothing's clicking anymore, like why is this not working? Insert a gut health test. So when you get your gut health test, you're also going to get a list of foods to avoid and then foods to keep eating. So it's awesome. You can actually tailor your meal plan from the eat list. It's amazing, and that's exactly what I did in this video. I am so passionate about this test because it works. And this literally unlocked the key to me to losing that last bit of weight that I wanted to lose to maintain at my lowest weight ever since high school, and I'm 36 years old. So this was definitely the thing that I was missing. I started at around 200 pounds after I had my daughter. Now that I have lost my extra weight, I'm down maintaining at 131. I'm 5'4". So guys, I have struggled with weight loss my entire life. I am no one special. I am a mom of two. I'm over 35. So both of those things you would think would stop me from losing weight. But I persevered because I said, no, I deserve to be at my goal. In this video, I'm gonna explain to you the gut health test and then how I added it to my meal prep. And I'm gonna show you how to make some really yummy food. Just really good, clean ingredients, easy things you can make to keep yourself on track for the week. So this video is actually sponsored by Ombre. That is the gut health test that I used to figure out, to unlock the key to why I wasn't losing more weight. Ombre Lab makes it super simple to measure your gut health by offering an at-home test that can measure your bacteria levels. You can do this by testing your poop. But don't let that stop you. It is sanitary, so easy to do, and totally worth it. The test ships straight to your door with easy to follow collection instructions. And then Ombre Lab will give you a detailed breakdown of your gut bacteria and the health issues that it may be causing, and then what specific foods you need to consume more or less of to improve your health. This was definitely the key for me. Once I started meal prepping and eating food that improved my gut health, that's how I lost my last 20 pounds. Ombre will even develop a personalized probiotic just for you and your gut with a subscription. So if you're struggling with any of the symptoms that I'm mentioning in this video and you want to see if your poop has the answers, just do it. You're gonna visit tryombre.com/peaceofhart to get $30 off your gut health test. And all this information is gonna be in my description box right below this video. So if you guys are anything like me and you're struggling to lose weight, or maybe you've got this like feeling of like sadness, or maybe your mental health's not feeling great, or maybe you're breaking out a lot, you've got eczema. These are all things that can be happening because of your gut health not being the best that it can be. So you guys, there's trillions of bacteria in your gut. So what happens is when the bad bacteria outweighs the good, you start running into all of these issues like the ones I just explained. So getting a gut health test, it's amazing because it literally tells you what's going on the inside, and then you can take steps to fix it, to make it better, to make the good bacteria go up so you can feel your best. And I would just like to thank Ombre once again for sponsoring this video. Based on my test results, I'm going to be taking the foods that they told me to eat. These are all super easy, and it's all from the foods that my gut needs to thrive. Broccoli cheddar egg cup bites. These are so easy, just a couple of ingredients, keeping it really simple, but it's everything that my gut wants right now. Broccoli was on my list, so here we go. Let's chop up some broccoli. So I like to keep it raw and then just cut it really small and really thin, and that's gonna be the base for my egg cups. Here I am cracking some eggs. I'm gonna be making 10 egg cup bites today, so I'm gonna be cracking 9 eggs. With the topping in the egg cup, you don't need as much egg as you do when you would have a lot of toppings. So I'm just adding in some salt and pepper, doing some garlic powder and onion powder, seasoning up these eggs, and then I'm just going to whisk everything together until it's really well mixed. So then I'm just gonna start filling my muffin tins with all of my toppings. I'm doing some cheddar cheese today, along with American cheese. I know there's a love-hate relationship on my channel for American cheese. I love it. And then I'm just gonna go and fill my egg cup bites. I try to make sure that they're all kind of filled to the same level. It just makes them more even. Now I'm just gonna take a fork and kind of zhuzh everything together just to make sure that everything is coated in the egg and no toppings just fell right to the bottom. These are gonna go in a 425-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And now I'm just packing them up for a great meal prep. I will probably be eating these for lunch because I do intermittent fast, but now they are ready for me and they're going to be fueling my gut health. Up next, we have one of my absolute favorite salads. I call it the Italian salad. It just has a bunch of great ingredients in it. My gut health results said to load up on the lettuce, so I've got iceberg in there and also some romaine lettuce, and then also some tomatoes, which was also on my recommended list of foods from my gut health test. I'm also adding in some peperoncinis for some crunch, and then I'm gonna go in with my protein, which I'm just gonna use some fresh mozzarella cheese in here. I love this salad with a great Italian dressing or just even oil and vinegar. It's just delicious. Topping it off with some olives and calling it a day. This is my favorite lunch prep salad. Moving on to my dinner or lunch prep, this is going to be my easy turkey meatballs. There's no breadcrumbs in these, so they are perfect for keto, low carb living. Just some ground turkey. I love this organic brand from Wegmans. And then just a few spices here and some fresh herbs. If you don't have basil, I like to use parsley. And then all I'm doing is literally adding everything into this bowl. So just goes 1 egg, half a cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese, and then 1 teaspoon each of Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. Then I'm just gonna roll up my herbs and just chop them up really quickly and then throw them in too, and then literally get in with my hands and make some meatballs. So I love to just mix this just until it's combined and then use an ice cream scoop just to form balls. It doesn't have to be perfect. They're gonna be delicious. It doesn't even matter. So this batch made about 10 meatballs for a pound, and I think that's perfect. You can just bake them in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes, and they are done. Super simple. The sauce I'm using today is actually local to Pennsylvania, and it's delicious. Super low carb for half a cup, and then I just go in with my hearts of palm noodles. These are my favorite. I was told to avoid spaghetti squash, so instead I'm using hearts of palm. You can buy these online. I will link them in the description box down below. And then here you go. This is my easy prep, which I will be eating cold. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know down in the comments, what was your favorite recipe from this video? Which one will you be making like ASAP? And don't forget to check out the description box where you'll have a link to get $30 off your gut health test from Ombre. I'm so excited for you guys to get this. It's also, don't forget, a great holiday gift. 'Tis the season. Give the gift of gut health. I guarantee whoever is the recipient will love you for it. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you really soon in my next video, but have an awesome day. Bye guys.